Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Submarine cables, also known as undersea or subsea cables, are specialized cables laid on the seabed between land-based stations to carry telecommunications signals or power. They are a critical part of global communication, enabling the majority of internet, voice, and data traffic across continents. Here's a breakdown of what they are and how they work. What are submarine cables? Submarine cables consist of multiple layers designed for durability and functionality. Core, optical fibers that transmit data as light pulses. Cladding, a protective layer that keeps the light signals inside the fiber. Strength members, steel wires or Kevlar for strength and flexibility. Waterproofing, layers of waterproof material. Outer sheath, high-density polyethylene for environmental protection. These cables can stretch thousands of kilometers, connecting continents and islands. The diameter is roughly that of a garden hose for deep-sea cables, but cables near the shore closer to land are thicker due to additional protective layers. How do submarine cables work? Submarine cables use fiber optic technology to transmit data as light pulses. Inside the cable, light signals representing digital data, for example, internet, calls travel through the optical fibers. Repeaters or amplifiers are placed at intervals every 50 to 100 kilometers along the cable to boost the signal, as light weakens over long distances. The cable terminates at landing stations on shore, where the optical signals are processed and distributed to regional networks. Multiple cables are laid to ensure redundancy, reliability, and load sharing across the network. For example, if one cable is damaged, traffic is rerouted through others. Installation process. Seabed surveys are conducted to find the safest and most cost-effective route for laying cables, avoiding underwater hazards like trenches or tectonic plate boundaries. Specialized ships deploy cables, using advanced machinery, carefully laying them on the seabed. In shallow waters, cables may be buried to prevent damage from fishing activities or ship anchors. Cables can be repaired if damaged, but this process is expensive and time-consuming, requiring specialized ships and remotely operated underwater vehicles or OVS. Importance of submarine cables. Global connectivity. More than 95% of international data, internet, calls, etc., is transmitted through submarine cables. High capacity. They offer much higher bandwidth and reliability compared to satellites. Economic impact. Submarine cables support global trade, online businesses, and financial transactions. Challenges and risks. Damage. Cables are vulnerable to fishing, anchoring, natural disasters, and even shark bites. Security. Cables are critical infrastructure and can be targeted in geopolitical conflicts. High cost. Installing and maintaining these cables involves significant investment. In essence, submarine cables are the backbone of modern global communication, enabling fast, reliable, and cost-effective connectivity between continents. Thank you for watching video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.